Water and waste management are the unsung heroes of modern infrastructure. Yet maintaining these systems is fraught with challenges. From aging infrastructure to increasing demand, the stakes are high, and traditional methods often fall short. Infrastructure plays a pivotal role in water and waste management. Pump stations, treatment plants, and distribution networks are critical assets. Their maintenance is essential to ensure uninterrupted service and compliance with environmental standards. Continuous service in water supply and waste treatment is non-negotiable. Interruptions can lead to severe consequences affecting public health and safety. Ensuring seamless operations is crucial for community well-being. CMMS ManWinWin is a game-changer in preventing unexpected downtimes. By streamlining maintenance processes, it ensures that critical assets remain operational, minimizing risks and enhancing service reliability. Managing assets spread across remote locations is a logistical challenge. Centralized management is key to streamlining operations and ensuring efficiency. It allows for better coordination and resource allocation. ManWinWin provides web and mobile access for field teams, enabling real-time updates and seamless communication. This connectivity ensures that maintenance tasks are executed efficiently, regardless of location. The water and waste sectors face stringent environmental and legal requirements. Compliance is non-negotiable, and comprehensive maintenance records are vital for audits and regulatory adherence. ManWinWin facilitates audits by maintaining detailed records of maintenance activities. This transparency ensures that organizations meet all necessary standards, safeguarding both the environment and public health. The integration of IoT in asset monitoring is revolutionizing maintenance. Real-time data provides insights into asset health, enabling proactive interventions and reducing unexpected failures. Predictive maintenance powered by data and algorithms is the future. ManWinWin incorporates these technologies, enhancing efficiency and extending asset life, ultimately reducing costs and improving service quality. ManWinWin's success stories in the water and waste sectors speak volumes. It boosts operational efficiency, reduces costs, and ensures compliance, making it the preferred choice for industry leaders. By choosing ManWinWin, organizations can optimize their maintenance strategies, ensuring continuity and compliance. Take the step towards efficient asset management and join the ranks of successful industry leaders.